It's Profiteroles with a warm Amaretto chocolate sauce.
That's my nickname too.
So already over there, we've heated up some heavy cream and some milk. And then all you're going to be putting into there is the Caro syrup. So they're already in there. There's cream, there's milk. You're putting the Caro syrup in. And then we should have the sugar.
The entire, should I be stirring this or something?
Yeah, let me get you a whisk here, or a spoon.
Whisk.
Well, I don't think we have. I have a special whisk
Yes,
for
I
you,
like
Mary.
your special whisk.
I have a
Yes,
special
dear.
whisk for you.
Oh my
This is
gosh,
Mary's whisk.
It's Mary's whisk.
See how special it is? It fell apart. That's how special it is.
You're welcome. So basically what's going to happen, Mary, is we're going to let that come to a boil.
Okay.
And then we're going to put in the chocolate. And here's the chocolate. That will be the chocolate for that. And then we'll put the amaretto in.
Amaretto?
And some vanilla extract.
Wow.
So, but let's let that come to the boil first.
Is it on the right temperature?
Well, I'm not 100% sure. Can you see? Can you see? It would be this one here.
It's a
Take
medium.
that to high.
Oh, to high. Okay.
There we go. All right.
All right, we're on high now.
Right in here we have water. It's a cup of water, one stick of butter, has a little bit of salt, has a little bit of sugar in it. And over there I think I have some flour.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
You want me to stir while you're pouring flour or something? I'm good at that.
Anything with butter,
A little bit
chocolate,
more salt in there.
It sounds
vanilla,
wonderful, right?
Caro syrup.
And you could put that on your face if for like an
You just want to
emollient.
bury your face in it. Yes, you could do it as an emollient.
Well, I'm thinking more about, you know.
And we did that actually on the last show. Do you remember
The last
that?
show
know
they
what you're
rubbed
thinking.
rubbed avocado all over me.
That's very
As
healthy
if I
for
had a
you.
skin problem of some sort. They did.
We did. We did.
Lucky I was
like it.
drinking.
Oh God.
It's
let's
beginning to
see.
boil a bit,
Are
John.
we burning?
We're
Something
burning a little something there.
No, you're
Should I
boiling.
turn
No.
this? Okay.
Okay, yeah, turn that off.
Your smoke detector's still going. It's like-
We have a little smoke going there.
Okay.
What we're going to do here is make a pâté choux. And a pâté choux is kind of a cream puff, you know,
Okay.
batter. Okay,
Now, can I get, you want me to pour the, you pour the flour and
All
I
right.
stir?
I'm going to pour the
You
flour
don't have
in.
sprinklers in this house, do you?
Hopefully not.
Okay.
That would be great though.
All right.
But I would
So
have a
what
really
I
bad hair
did
day.
is I just
I have a
stirred
wig on, so
all of the flour in here. Okay. And what you have to do is you're cooking the flour out, and it's going to kind of come in,
I see.
kind of come together like
Yeah.
in this ball thing there. You can put your
Vanilla in
you
now?
can put your
Before-
chocolate in
Oh,
now
chocolate.
if you like.
All of it?
Yep.
Oh, look at this, everybody. Look at that chocolate. See, I would already
Yes,
be
Black
nibbling
History
on
Month,
this.
remember?
I would be nibbling on this.
And you just keep stirring
I
that
will
around.
keep stirring. Yes, I
And
will.
back over to the pâté choux pot.
Do you want me to break some eggs, John? He says
Okay.
no immediately.
How do you spell pâté choux?
P-A-T-E.
Okay.
C-H-O-X.
Thank you.
I believe.
I learned phonetics, so it's like I have to
makes
visualize it
sense
up
to me.
here.
Obviously, it's a
Did you
French
see how
thing.
he broke an egg just by holding it in one hand?
Yes, I saw that.
So what I'm doing is you have to do this like kind of one egg at a time.
But that smells really good now.
And
Okay.
so I'll keep stirring it,
Joyce is
and then
gonna try
until it
to help.
starts to come back together. And then if you like, we can put in another egg,
Do
Joyce.
you need another egg?
Well, why not?
I'm trying to be helpful here after my last egg debacle.
Oh, look at this, everybody. I would turn the pot, but I can't. But it looks beautiful.
It's a very pretty
It's
chocolate
very
kind of thing.
luscious looking.
Very luscious.
This is going to be delicious.
So luscious.
So sad
so,
you
so
can't have
luscious.
it.
Exactly.
I guess we'll have to give some to the camera guys.
We will.
We will.
Because they're so good.
Well, why?
They are so good.
That guy can't spell. What's happening?
Oh my gosh. Okay, should I put my vanilla in now?
Sure.
Okay.
Do you really do 4?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this is the vanilla I'm putting in.
All right. Now I should have somewhere around here like a half sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper
I
on
think
it.
we have it
And
here.
then I also have a pastry bag.
We have it here.
pastry
A
bag.
pastry bag.
Is that like a Louis Vuitton bag?
Ooh
or
la
something?
la.
Yes.
That cold.
D'accord.
There you
Ooh
go.
loo. Lord
Louis
Cocoa
Vuitton.
face.
Stirring that while you put it in the bag?
Well, it's a tough one, this one, to stir
I'm a
right.
tough girl, Johnny.
I know, baby. I know,
But
baby.
look at the muscles you're building.
I know.
Look
All
at all
right.
the calories we're burning.
No,
So
the
now-
mussels we did earlier. This is
Yeah, we ate the mussels and the oysters. Now we're going into the pate shoes.
Okay.
Hand me
Then
this
you put the tip-
here.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh man. Oh
Now, what's
man.
this for? I don't remember.
That is your amaretto.
Do I put it in now?
Absolutely.
Okay. Awesome.
Because otherwise, if you don't, we're not going to have our amaretto sauce.
Sounded very
This looks
satisfying.
dangerous to me.
It is, just
It
a
is.
little bit.
It is.
But as soon as we get this here, like the way we like, Joyce,
Dun, 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 dun.
Da-da.
I mean, you could do this better than I could do
I
this
probably
because you
could,
actually
John.
are the artist. and
Yeah, you're right.
I
you're
am.
the artist.
I
So
am.
that's perfect though.
That is
So
perfect.
now, if you hold that,
Oh wait.
I will put the pate choux in, and then you can make the poof.
The poof.
The poof.
The poof.
Ooh.
I'm gonna let you squeeze the poof because you know me and eggs aren't always the best thing.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. So anyway, you put the pate choux into the pastry bag,
Yeah.
like so.
Beautiful.
And you turn that around a little bit, and then you're going to turn out little cream puffs,
Well,
like
that's
so.
really quite nice. See, mine wouldn't be
That's
like
pretty.
that at all.
Oh, yeah, mine either.
Like that. Take this, we put it into an oven that hopefully isn't smoking, and at 400 degrees, and they will turn into
Voila,
la la la
the
la la la
magic
la la.
oven. The magic oven.
Perfiteroles.
Oh
Whoa!
my gosh, they look beautiful.
Look, is get some ice cream out of here.
Ice cream.
Ice cream,
Oh,
you
we love
scream.
ice cream.
We all scream for ice cream.
It's the Harford brothers.
Taharka Brothers.
Oh my gosh.
So Taharka Brothers is a company, actually it's a co-op
Yes.
in Baltimore.
Mm-hmm.
It started quite a number of years ago. It was kind of in an empowerment zone, and it's like grown like crazy. It's just one of the best known ice creams in the Baltimore
Okay.
area. So we got the Taharka vanilla bean. Let me just grab another knife over
Black
here.
History moment. Taharka is the name of a black African king who became the king of Egypt. Under his rule, there was a lot less war and a lot of progress.
Wow.
Your Black History moment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I bet you there was a lot more love.
There's so much love.
So yeah, so
Okay.
essentially, basically what we're doing is just taking,
It's almost like a whoopie pie.
it isn't like a whoopie pie.
Whoopi Goldberg pie?
Could be.
She just got in trouble.
Yes, you did.
Another Black History moment. I'm better at cutting. Let
Yes,
me
you
cut.
did.
You're cutting great.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I'm
Okay.
cutting up is what
You're
I'm doing.
cutting up. Here you go. I'll give you that.
Oh, well, not that one.
Here, do the next one. Like a
Little
cruller?
areas. Yeah.
Cruller.
Like a
Yes.
cruller. It's almost like
There,
a cruller.
almost.
In fact, you do use sort of a pattern.
Mm-hmm.
And so then Mary, after she made her delicious chocolate sauce, she put some into a squirt bottle.
Squirt bottle.
And so then we get this thing going. Hopefully we get it
You
going.
got it.
We're going to go, ooh.
Whoa. Okay, that looks wonderful. You could be really fancy, like a restaurant person would be doing.
Well, you know, John owns his own place, so he knows how
I've
to
heard
do
of that.
stuff.
I've heard-
All right.
Oh my gosh, look at them. Aren't they beautiful?
Don't they look like little Disney mushrooms?
Oh, they
Disney
do.
mushrooms.
Oh, I'll have to take them up to the grandkids this week when I go out. They would love them.
Oh, we forgot to put ice cream in one of them. Oh my
Oh
God, I'm
my
losing it. I'm losing it.
Okay.
And I cut them so well.
And you did such a beautiful job. Really, 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 really.
I was so bad, but okay. Is that
Okay,
good?
there's a lovely top for that one there. And here we go.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
John,
So,
could you spell my name now?
yeah. Here it goes.
Yeah, he's not doing it. He can't. He can't. I can't even.
I got it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something